Hey folks, today we are gonna see advice for you regarding this person. We're gonna check what are their thoughts, their feelings towards you, what do they wish from you, and advice for you regarding them. Okay, so before we start, I really wanna thank each and every individual who have subscribed me and subscribed my page and liked my videos, and all your comments are really really beautiful. I love reading each and every comment, and thank you so much. I'm really grateful to each and every individual, to each and every soul who is actually supporting me to do more better and to help me guide you people. Okay, thank you so much guys. So choose a pile, choose a deck which calls out to you intuitively. The timestamps are given in the description column below. Think about the person and then choose what are their thoughts, feelings, and what do they wish from you, and advice for you regarding them. Okay. So, folks, those who chose this deck, deck one, we'll check what are their feelings for you, thoughts regarding you, and what do they wish from you, and what is advice for you regarding them. Okay, what are you asked to do from the universe, by the universe, regarding this person. Okay, so let's start. So what does this person think about you? What does this person think about you? Pick one, pile one. What does this person think about you? Think about the person as I'm shuffling the cards. What does this person think about you? What does person think about you? Pathway, courtship, male, female. Okay, so this person, you are definitely on their mind. Yes, you are on their mind, and what I'm getting is, it is like they want to reach out to you. It's like they want to share something to you. I don't know. There is something that's been, inside them that they want to share it to you. It's like they want to reach out to you, and they have been waiting for it from a long time, and they are looking at you as someone, who is really matured and genuine, and mm, this person is kind of confused as well when it comes to you. I feel like, take what resonates, guys. This is a general collective reading. I feel like this person has been comparing you to some other woman as well. It's like that, and you have been waiting for this person from a long time or something, but there is no movement, or there is nothing happening, you might feel. But the universe assures that time is gonna change. Okay, so his thoughts about you, I feel like this person is, okay, as I'm seeing this courtship, I don't know, this thing is being highlighted here. It's like this person is over here in the present but looking into the future timeline that you both might share. It's like that, and they have been thinking how your life would be, how their future would be with you, or something like that. Okay, and their thoughts about you, I feel like they like your hair. They like that you are really, genuine, and you are in your power, you're sophisticated or something. And this person is, admiring you for whatever you're doing in your life. Yeah, it's like that. And there are chances, take this as a collective reading. There are chances this person might be, sexually attracted to you as well. Okay, so this is what I'm getting. Okay, so now let's check what are their feelings towards you. Deck 1, what is this person's feelings towards you? What are their feelings towards you? What are their feelings towards you? Okay, we have gift. Then we have coffin. Then we have lovers. Oh my god. This is such a these are really such strong cards, guys. You can see, right? Wait a minute. Yeah, it's like this person is thinking what you might be. If it's like they are waiting for it, they are waiting for the chance or some opportunity to come and knock by so that they can offer you maybe a second chance or something. I'm feeling maybe they are waiting for you to make a move, or they are waiting for you to offer them a chance or something. But they are feeling like the relationship that you both share is kind of in a dead moment. It's kind of stagnant, and they really want to make this thing into a really amazing, beautiful relationship. It's like right now there are chances like they are really fed up, they are really exhausted, that nothing is happening the way they want it. And it's like there are a lot of thoughts, and they are looking into the future, they are fantasizing they want to really offer you that, but somehow it's like in the present situation it's kind of dead, like nothing is working out, and no hints, no cues, nothing. So I don't know what to do, because the future that they see with you is lovers, guys. So it is really genuine, and they have been waiting for you. So their feelings towards you, it's like they are exhausted, they really want to give you something, they really want to offer you something, they really look at you as someone, you know as a life partner or something. And I don't know, it's like it's I don't know, looking at this gift I feel this picture is popping out. Okay, it's like it's faded. Okay, it's like whatever you both shared, maybe you had a past or something with this person, and it's kind of fading away, and they are looking at you like you're really beautiful, you're really pretty, and they really admire you from far, and they really want to genuinely offer you something of value. But it's like even if they want to, but by what sense are they gonna offer you this? Like there is no tag here. It's like they really want to give something to this relationship, which is making them feel like it's dead or stagnant. So maybe no communication, or maybe if there is communication, there are chances that they really want to take this relationship to another level. Okay, so let's see what do they wish from you. Okay, so what does this person wish from you? And as I said, they have been comparing you to some other people as well. It's like all throughout their journey, wherever they are going, they have been looking to find someone like you, but no chances. They haven't found someone like you. It's like you are one of a kind, and they really really genuinely need you. It's like that. Okay, so let's see what do they wish from you, what does this person wish from them. Pile 1, deck 1, what does this person wish from, does this person wish from you? Despair. Okay, community, mature man. Okay, so and at the end of the deck, the energy of the deck is privileged lady. Okay, so I'm getting two messages here. Okay, guys, for some of you I'm feeling like there is some kind of factor which is affecting your relationship and letting them down to make a move towards you. It might be religious factor, caste factor, or maybe they are thinking that they are not they do not deserve you. You are like worth something else only. It's like you are worth more than this man. It's like that. And see, they are rejecting themselves. It's like not hiring right now. It's like they are getting this cue or hint from you that you are not giving them any kind of cues or hints that they really want some kind of assurance from you. So what do they wish from you? It's like they need an assurance that you really need them. It's like the way they need you, they want you also to need them, and they have been waiting for it, but there is nothing. It's like it's there. They are not getting any kind of clue or any kind of cue. Okay, so this is what I'm getting. And some of you guys, what I'm getting is, take this as a general reading, collective reading, so take what resonates. Some of you guys, I'm feeling, family might be a factor of the separation that you both have. Okay, or family, or the religious factors. There is distance. Okay, but what do they genuinely wish from you is like, this family kind of warm feeling they need from you. And it's like they have been really trying hard, and they are sticking up to be mature. They don't want to be childish in front of you, begging you, or kind of, disturbing you a lot. But they have been genuinely waiting for you. They might show you as if they do not care. Okay, so this is amazing, guys. It's like, they have been showing themselves as, they do not care. But if you look behind this, we have the Lovers card, and they genuinely, this is main female and main mature man, and it's Lovers here. So they have been waiting for you. You are in their mind, but they have been acting smart, and they have been faking it since then. And it's like everything is amazing in their life, and they don't need you. And you might get that energy or that vibe from them, but it's not true. It is like they are really craving for you. It's like, look at this card. They themselves are rejecting. Okay, it's not like, because they are not getting the cue, they are not getting the hint from this privileged lady that is you are living your life beautifully, you are in your power, and they want to offer you, they want to give you everything. But it's like, you seem to have all your cups full, then why do you even need me? So these thoughts are coming in their mind. So you need to show them you really need them as well. Okay, if you need them, obviously. If you don't, then let's just pass. So now let's see. Now, yeah, what is the advice for you regarding this person? What is the advice for you regarding this person from the universe? What is the advice for you regarding this person from the universe? We have bad health. And then mature woman. Unexpected income. Now, look at this. I really wanted it, because this is kind of making up a story here. It's like, you what sorry, what the universe is wanting you to do here is, you need to share. You need to share this man, this mature man or woman. Okay, you need to share this person, that how much of in a terrible situation you are. Without them, you have been feeling really stuck, and you really need them as well. You really need them. It's like unexpected income, but it's like they are something that you needed. It's like you have to show them that you have been craving for them as well. Okay, so okay, as I was saying this, it's like 1222. It's okay, I have seen 222. So it's like, they are asking you, the universe is asking you, the advice for you is, make a move. Share them that you are not in a really good situation without them. You might show that your cups are full and you are really living amazingly happily, but you need to show them that you value them as well. Okay, you need to communicate them this. Okay, so this is what I'm getting. So this is amazing, guys. This was the advice. But however, if you really don't feel anything towards them, then it's of no use. It's up to you. Okay, so this was your reading, deck 1. So if you want a personalized session regarding what do they genuinely, think about you, feel towards you, what do they wish from you, and what is the advice for you regarding them, I have given my social handles and contact details in my description column below. Please do let me know if you need a personalized session, and please share, like, and subscribe the video, and let me know in the comment section below if you liked it or not, because I truly loved this deck, this pile one. Okay, your reading was amazing. You really need to go get that person in your life, because they have been waiting for you desperately. They might not show you, but it's like they have been waiting for you, and it is really, hurting them. See, look at this. The deck energy is message here. So it's like they have been waiting for you, or they have been typing. Okay, message of concern. So it's like they have been waiting for you. They are typing the message, but then they are deleting it. Maybe that you might not feel the same thing, and then we have marriage. Okay, so I need to stop this reading right now. So yeah, do what your intuition guides you. Okay, thank you guys. Hey folks, if you chose this amazing, beautiful, cute deck, now let's check what does this person think about you, their feelings, what do they wish from you, and advice for you regarding this person. Okay, so let's start. What does this person think about you? What does this person think about you? We have the grave. Okay, think about you. The fish, the grave, the fish, the bear, and the bouquet together. Okay. So this is amazing, guys. All fits in. Yeah, okay, I feel it's visible now. Yes. So this person think that you might really had a very bad past or something. Take what resonates, okay? It's like, they are looking at you, and they are feeling that you really had a bad past or bad childhood or something, and they are looking at you, and they only wish happiness, joy, good luck, fulfillment, abundance for you. And it's like, they are promising you or something that they are gonna come to you with holding the bouquet, like promises and love towards you. It's like, look at this over here. It's like the fish, and the bear is holding the fish as well. It's like they really genuinely want to hug you. Yes, I'm getting this vibe. They really want to hug you, teddy bear. It's like they really want to hug you, keep you warm, and keep you emotionally support you, because we are seeing water energy here a lot, because it's raining in this card, and it is fish, and the bear is in the water as well. Maybe water signs are here, and I'm getting this vibe that they emotionally want to support you. So what are their thoughts towards you is like they think you're really, really sensitive. You are genuinely sensitive. You are a kind of person who is really loyal, gentle, kind, sensitive, and stuff like that I'm getting. So these are their thoughts towards you. Another message that I am getting is, maybe take what resonates, guys. This is a collective reading. Another message that I'm getting is like maybe this might be your ex or someone, and a transformation happened, and things ended out of the blue, and this person is wishing you happiness. This person is like, I don't hold any kind of grudge now. It's okay. I could let you go. I still love you though. It's fine if you want to go, because I really wish you happiness, but I'll always be waiting here if you need me. So this is the message. This is the thoughts I'm getting. So let's see what are their feelings. The gentleman. Wow. The child. Okay, let's see. What are their feelings towards you? What are their feelings towards you? Okay, so these three came out. The gentleman again. So the snake and the moon. Okay. So their feelings towards you, it's like, they think that you have been moved on or you are with someone else or something like that. Wait up. They are thinking that, they are in some kind of illusion only. They are living in some kind of illusion that you are with someone else. They are not worth your time and you are with someone else. It's like, you have gone, you're gone, and they are living in this illusion here. Okay, I also get this feelings towards you. I get this vibe that they have been fantasizing you from a long time now, and they have been, trying to reach you, but somehow it's not happening. And their feelings towards you, it's like they really don't want you to get hurt. It's like, okay, take this, okay, take what resonates, guys. This is a collective reading for some of you guys. If you are in a relationship or not in the present situation, this person might think that the person you are in relationship with is not good for you, or even if you're not, they have this illusion that you are with someone else only, that you are gone, you are away, and you are with someone else, and they think no one is worth it, no one is good, like everyone are gonna take advantage of him or her, and I really want to be the person who is gonna support, who is gonna be there for this person. It's like that, be there for you. So these are their feelings towards you. It's like, okay, so this person has their throat chakra blocked right now. They are finding it hard to speak their truth or confess it that they still have feelings for you. And because I'm feeling an ache in my throat, and it's like even you like this person, and you both have been admiring each other from afar, and it's like you both have been watching each other but unable to speak the truth, and you both have this illusion created that they might not accept you or they might reject you, but it's just not true. Okay, it's like they genuinely have been thinking about you, and feeling that they really want to offer you a stable relationship or something. Okay, so these were the current feelings. Let's see what are their wishes. Okay, what do they wish from you? What does this person wish from you? Okay. So we have the lilies. This is beautiful. They really want a new beginning, love. Next we have the stars, the owls, and the child. So this person might be from your childhood. Take what resonates. This person, you might be in the same school or were in the same school, or what does this person wish from you? It's like, that childishness, that youthfulness, that pranks, that innocence from you. It's like so that you could be comfortable around them, and they really wish to have a new beginning, guys. It's like a new love, new beginning, something they genuinely want to start something really new. They really, as we have the bouquet here as well, and now lilies, it's like they want to offer you their universe to you. Okay, it's like that. And before that, the owls actually speaks of commitment and companionship, communication, gossiping, all those stuff, and they really want you to be comfortable around them, so that you could they could genuinely think that now you have become really amazing friends, and now they could share their feelings towards you without being anxious or without having this fear of rejection or something. So right now what they wish from you is a solid friendship. Okay, it's like they really that pal, that solid friendship they are wishing. And what do they wish from you? They want you to talk to them. They want you to, they are wishing that, you make them their best friends and sharing each and everything. And you know so that the illusion that he or she has been created about you, that you are already with someone else, it will break by being good friends and talking a lot and communicating. So this is what they wish. Okay, they first, they are like, once they be really good friends and amazing comfortable friends, they will offer that love to you. Okay, it's like, look at the deck energy. It's like taking out the rose. We have already got bouquet and lilies, and they'll be ready to offer you this because we have got the rider here. This is so beautiful, and the key opening up. Wow. Okay, so now let's check advice for you regarding them. We'll ask the universe, what are you? Okay, advice for you regarding them from the universe. What are you asked to do in this situation? Advice for you regarding them. The sickle. Okay, this is beautiful. The garden. Wow. The sun. So this is beautiful. So the universe is definitely like, and the deck energy is the key, the locket, the clover. Wow, this is such a beautiful pile, guys. You might be soulmates for life. Okay, I need to stop. Okay, some of you guys, if you are in a TF connection, this might resonate. It's like this person is been thinking really hard for you, and they are really ready to offer you all the love. And universe is like, you are in the right path. Go forward, make the move, be bold, and just do it. Whatever you want to build, even if it's friendship, even if it's a relationship or anything, start smoothly, be patient, move forward, and I'll offer you the light, because we have already got the stars, the moons, the lilies, and wow, this is so beautiful. So the universe is like, I'll open the door for you. What you need to do right now, it's like, make a move, take the effort, and I'll bless you. Okay, so this is beautiful. Pile 2, if you want to book a personalized session about what do they think about you, feelings for you, and what do they wish from you, and what is it, advice for you regarding them, I have mentioned my social handles and contact details in the description column below. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know if you like the video or not. Thank you so much, guys. Hey folks, if you chose third pile, third deck, let's check. This is a beautiful deck. Let's check their thoughts, feelings, their wishes from you. What do they wish from, and advice for you regarding them. Okay, so I'm seeing a lot of people are being asked, those who chose pile 3. Not only, I don't know which aspect of your life I am being guided to say this, be patient. Okay, I don't know which aspect of your life you really need to fit this thing in, but be patient. Okay, be patient. Patience is really needed. I don't know, my spirit team is guiding me to tell you this. Pile 3, be patient. The answers you need are coming. Okay, so now let's check. What does this person think about you? What are their thoughts? What does this person think about you? What are their thoughts? Okay, let's check. We have the sun here. Okay, this is kind of a a castle. Wow. So this is like a letter. So this person, what do they think about you? They think you are really beautiful. They think you are genuinely mesmerizing, beautiful. Okay, I'm seeing the vision. They have looked at you. You laugh really amazingly, and they like you. They like your eyes. They like your hair. They like your smile. they like it when you come into the room. They feel some fresh, they feel really fresh, and they feel like the flower has bloomed or something onto them. And they are thinking about confessing their feelings to you, something like that. They have been thinking about writing a letter or a poem to you, and wow, this is beautiful. What do they think about you? They think you really have amazing hair and amazing eyes. This person is really passionate when it comes to you. They really want to build an empire with you. This is really beautiful, guys. So these are their thoughts. Now let's check upon their feelings towards you. What does this person feel about you? What does this person feel about you? Okay, this is so beautiful, guys. It's like, they have been thinking about confessing their feelings and they are unlocking the door. It's like, it's 33. Okay, this is amazing. This is so beautiful. Okay, wait, let's just pull out more 2 cards. And what is this person feeling about you? Okay, we've got 3 cards. This is beautiful. It's like, look at this card, and they feel like you're kind of in a maze and you're a puzzle to solve. It's like you are a puzzle. You are, they are trying to come into your mind. They are trying to know whether you really have the same feelings towards them or not. And they have been searching for you, and you are here waiting. You are here waiting, and there are some toxic people, some healing which is needed for them to enter your journey, enter your path. Okay, so it's like they are opening up to you. It's like they are really waiting for a sign or something from you. Okay, so this kind of speaks to me as like something which they desire. Okay, look at this. And it's infinity as well. Some of you guys who are watching this video might be in a TF connection, twin flame connection. Not all, okay. Not each and every individual. This is a general collective reading. If you are in a twin flame connection, so let me tell you, it's like, a Kundalini activation has been happened, and they have been, rised up, and I feel like their sexual energies are really high. The sexual drive is high. Okay. And yeah, Kundalini is highlighted. Okay. So I feel like genuinely altogether, generally, if you ask me, this person is feeling the passion, the desire to come and have you. It's like you are the fruit and they can't resist you and they really need you in their life. So this is beautiful, guys. And yes, I'm sorry. So, another thing that I'm getting is, I'm sorry. Another thing that I'm getting is, looking at this, it feels like you are their destiny. They have made up their mind and you are the one. It's like you are totally the one and they have made up their mind. You are their destiny and it's fate. It's like you both seeing each other for the first time. I felt like you both felt some kind of connection or something, or you both have this genuine connection. It's like they know that you are the one. So this is what I'm getting. And over here I feel like this also says like harvesting patience. Okay, over here also it's highlighted, guys. You need to be patient. Okay, when you harvest something, it really takes time, so that they have their own traumas to heal and you have your own traumas to heal as well. I genuinely feel that this is kind of a TF connection that I'm seeing, because I don't know, looking at this card, I also feel like the cycles are repeating and you need to come out of the cycle. They have been waiting for you. It's like they have been waiting for you genuinely, and it's like you need to be free from and your angels are protecting you and guiding you over here. you need to be free from the cycles, and they need to be from their karmic cycles, and only then the patience is the thing, and only then you'll have them. It's like they understand, okay, their feelings towards you, it's like they understand that this is a person in my death, it destined to be, this person is destined to be in my life forever, for eternity. And looking at this, they are like asking you to be patient. Their feelings towards you, it's like, it's like they really want to, take it slow and steady. They want to be they don't want to be harsh, hasty, or hard on yourself. They really want to take it slow, and they are doing all the inner work, outer work, for to get you to have this passionate relationship with you. Okay, it's like they have been waiting for you from a long time now, and it will it's like they will come to you. Their feelings are like that, and this is amazing, guys. This is so beautiful. And it's like they'll take whatever it takes. Because somewhere I feel like the universe has shown them something, that you are the one. The realization has hit them really hard, and it's like surprising. It's This also speaks about some surprise or some shock coming in, because it is, so this is great. This is really great, guys. This is amazing. So now let's check, what do they wish from you. What does this person wish from you? What does this person wish from you? This person wish from you. Okay, this is like a book. This is a bridge. Okay, so we have this false woman over here as well. So what do they wish from you? It's like there is a gap, there is a bridge between you guys. You both have some karmic contracts to fulfill. There are some karmic cycles that you both need to close. And what do they wish from you? They wish you to open up. They wish you to be vulnerable. They wish you to share each and everything which has happened in your past, which is happening in your present, and what do you want in your future. They wish for you to share everything. It's like that. And what do they wish from you? They also, I strongly feel a TF connection here. I don't know. This is like they are asking you to open up yourself. They are asking you to explore yourself, come into your power. Okay, focus on your life purpose, and I am just right there waiting for you, the bridge, and you really need to come over here, because at the end you are a light. Okay, you might be a light worker or in a spiritual path, and this is so beautiful. And somewhere I feel like they have been waiting for you, and they are really patient. They are patient. They have prepared their speech, what they want to speak, the truth. Okay, it's like they have been waiting for you to do. There is some residual work or contracts that you need to finish, and only then you both can be together. Okay, there is some kind of a soul contract made, and you need to open that up. Okay, over here a key is also here. It's like there is some soul contract, some lesson that you need to finish it, that residual lesson, and only then the bridge or the gap between you both will be closed. Until then you'll only be in the cycle, in the maze. Okay, the same repeating cycle. This is so beautiful. But overall, if you're not in a TF connection, what do they wish from you? It's like you come and talk to them about your past, present, future, everything. They really want you to open up, be a open book, because for you, because they are thinking of you as some kind of mystery, and they really don't know you, like they don't know what is happening in your life, and they really genuinely want to know everything. They want to communicate to you. Okay. This is what I'm getting. And if you're not in a TF connection, also they are asking you to close the gap that you both have. If you have some kind of misunderstandings, solve it. If you're not having misunderstandings, but if you have this communication issue, or you're not being friends, or even if you are being friends, you're not being comfortable around each other, they want you to be comfortable, that come into that comfort zone, and be vulnerable to them, and share their feelings, and share your feelings to them. And it's like that. It's like they are ready to make a move only if you give them a hint or a cue that you are also making a move genuinely. You are also desiring them as well. So it's like they are waiting for you. So this is what I'm getting. Okay, so let's see what is the advice from the universe for you regarding this person. Advice for you regarding this person. Advice from the universe for you regarding this person. Advice for you regarding this person. We have 8 eyes. Dice. Okay. Let's pull out more 2 cards. Advice for you regarding them. Advice for you regarding them. Oh, this is a birdhouse, right? Yeah. This is so beautiful. I don't know, I was asked to pull out this card as well. Okay. And the energy of the deck is, well, it's like I feel like this is some kind of a wishing well. It's like, take this as a general thing, guys. If you're wishing for something to happen in your life, the universe is like it's happening. Okay, the divine is working for you, so you need to let that shit thing out. Okay, do not be anxious, or do not worry about it, because the divine is working for you. Okay, so this is some kind of an assurance I was guided to tell you all. Okay, let's just keep this in the side. Advice for you regarding this person. So pretty much I feel like what do they wish from you is like you asking them out. So they are wishing, it's like they are wishing for you to ask. This is like Twitter and tweeting and communicating and hanging out. Okay, maybe on a date, or maybe just hanging out and coming to you. It's like traveling to you. It's like a path, a way of commitment. It's like, okay, this person is genuinely wishing to meet you. It's like they really want to look at your eyes. They want to look and dive deep in your eyes. They want to meet you. They have been, planning, imagining, fantasizing of how to come forward, but they really need you to take the step. And they are, maybe at least you can ask for a plan or something. And they are asking you to make a movement, and only if you move, it's like they want you to realize this as well. Okay, so this is not the advice from the universe, but it is something also what they are wishing from you. It's like they are totally in sync with the universe and going with the flow with the universe, and the universe is really happy with that person, with whatever they are purging or whatever triggers they are releasing, and they are really doing a great job. And the universe want to surprise them with something, and this surprise also I'm seeing here, and I feel like an unexpected meet, or maybe the universe is trying to tell you through me that you need to, make a move, ask them to meet up, or just hang out, and it's like that, just hang out or meet or just communicate, or maybe a phone call, something like that. And that will be that will create the passage, of commitment. Okay, so this is what the universe wants you to do. So this is great, guys, because the deck energy is this, wishing well. However, if you see this person has been waiting for you. Okay, this person has been waiting for you to make a move, and the universe is like, come on, pull out your cards, pull out your game, take yeah, I was saying something, right? Yeah, I was saying that this person also wants you to realize, like they realize that you are their destiny. So they themselves want you to realize that they are someone really important for you, and they want you to realize that as well, that yes, you are the one. Okay, so this is what they want. It's like the universe wants, and this is so beautiful. This, like the universe wants, and this person has been waiting for you to make a move, and communicate or make a plan or hang out or just a phone call or something, so that they could know how to move forward, how they have been trying to figure out, and they are ready to speak the truth. Okay, so pile one, this was your reading. I mostly sensed this as a twin flame reading. I don't know why. If it's not a twin flame, I must say I don't feel like this is a karmic relation here. It might be a high level soulmate, but do let me know in the comment section below if you like the video, and also if you want a personalized session about what are their thoughts, feelings, what do they wish from you, and guidance, advice for you from the universe regarding this person, do let me know. I have dropped my social handles and contact details in the description column below. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe, and yeah, let me know in the comment section below, okay, if you like the video or not. Okay, bye.